7 high-demand writing jobs that can make you money. You don't need an academic degree to make a full-time living from writing. If you can deliver content that gets desired results, you can make money writing. More money than the average professional journalist will ever make. You see, many journalists, after working for years with little reward to show for it, end up in one or more of these writing jobs to give their income a boost. The interesting thing is that you don't need an academic training to profit as a writer in this field. At first, the return may not be a lot, but over time, your income could grow to a fortune. Before I go on to share the 7 high-demand writing jobs with you, I want to invite you to subscribe to After School TV to be a part of this community. Also, click the notification bell to get notified when we publish new insightful videos like this. 1. Script writing. Before you rule this out, thinking you have to write for Hollywood to make money as a scriptwriter, you need to understand that scripting has a long value chain you can capitalize on. Short is the new long. Today's consumers want quick digestible content, and your short stories will be there to satisfy their appetite. For example, there is a growing number of short film producers on YouTube, from comedy skits to documentaries and tutorials like this video you're watching. Over 500 hours of videos are uploaded on YouTube every minute, and almost 5 billion videos are watched every single day. To sell your script, you can reach out to video content producers and pitch your offer. If you have a stream of ideas, you can even start producing your own content. If you want to pursue a career in bigger film industry, starting with short scripts that actually get produced will help build your track record and portfolio of experience. 2. Copywriting. Businesses understand that they don't always have to be physically present to try to convince a prospective customer to take an action that would lead to a purchase. So they rely on written sales copy that speaks to the prospects as though a friend is there speaking to them. If the company's founders or executives wrote these documents themselves, it would be hundreds of pages filled with jargons. So it takes an outside perspective to identify key information and write it in an attractive way. That is the job of a copywriter. A copywriter is paid to write the words used for marketing products and/or services. This includes writing sales pages, email funnels, landing pages, blog articles, social media posts, white papers, and/or case studies. Despite the name, copywriters are more than just writers. They are writers, salespeople, and behavioral psychologists all rolled into one. To be a good copywriter, you need to learn to master all these elements. You also don't need any formal education. In fact, some of the most sought-after and highest-paid copywriters in the world never took a writing class in their life. Copywriting is amongst the highest-paying writing jobs. Businesses are willing to pay money to someone with the skill to use words to make people buy their products. 3. Article or content writing. This is where a majority of writers begin their career, getting paid to write articles and blog posts for different clients and projects. If you are knowledgeable in your niche and have engaging writing style, you can make money as a freelance article writer, working with different clients. Content writers are always in demand. Businesses need content writers to keep creating content that attract visitors from search engine. In our company, for example, we often work with tens of content writers. As a content writer, you must be proficient in search engine optimization to be able to deliver the best value for your clients. One mistake I often see content writers make is being a jack of all trades, accepting any type of job that involves writing. To succeed as a content writer, you want to define your niche and the writing services you offer. That way, you can target the right client and can afford to charge more for your projects. 4. Ghostwriting. The difference between ghostwriting and other type of writing is that as a ghostwriter, you don't get to put your name on your work. You write as though you're someone else. In other words, someone else gets to put their name on your work. From books, blog posts to ebooks, white paper, and songs. There are tons of opportunities for ghostwriters out there. People hire ghostwriters for many reasons, such as their business has grown so much that they no longer have time to write all their own material, or they have a wealth of expertise or an exciting story to tell, but they don't enjoy writing or they're not very good at it. The demand for quality ghostwriters has gone so high that it is now taught in schools as professional program. Because the client owns the copyright of the written work, ghostwriters tend to be paid more than regular freelance writers. 5. Publish an ebook. Digital technology has made it easy to write, self-publish, and sell digital books with little hassle. You don't have to be a J.K. Rowling to make money from publishing a book. With the right strategy, you can get your digital book in the hands of readers and generate passive income from your work. Self-publishing your book can be ridiculously cheap, or even free if you decide to do all the work and face lift yourself. As for how much you can make from your book, you can make from a few $1,000s to nothing. In other words, it's not a magic bullet. Your book has to appeal to a large audience, meet an important need, and reach this audience in a way that compels them to buy and read. The good news is that you have a lot of control over how it's going to turn out. You can leverage online bookstores like Amazon Kindle, and also create your own payment and delivery system. I'd recommend writing about something you're genuinely interested in, and that a large number of people will also find interesting, rather than just choosing a topic that you think is going to make you money. 6. Product description writing. It is expected that by 2021, the global e-commerce sales will be close to $5 billion. Writing product description or product copywriting offers a lot of opportunity to make money in various industries, especially from e-commerce websites. These jobs may require product descriptions on packaging, websites, buying guides, and sales platforms like Amazon or Jumia. You can get this type of writing by reaching out to sellers and e-commerce businesses to pitch how you can help make their product description more compelling to increase sales. You can also sign up on freelance online marketing places to get clients. If you deliver quality job to your clients, you can generate sustainable income from your service. 7. Ad copy. You have seen those short videos on YouTube and short ad copies on social media trying to convince you to click a link for more details. Writing such ads is a form of copywriting that uses a few words as possible to convey the right message and get people to take action. While this may seem easy at first glance, it actually takes a lot of creativity to say the right thing with few words. If you have interest in advertising and marketing, ad copywriting could be the writing job for you. Writing is a lucrative skill if you are trained on how to trade it for money. Don't expect to get big breaks at first few attempts. You have to be in it for the long haul to reap the benefit. Do you make money with your writing skill? Which of these writing jobs has worked for you? Tell us in the comment section below. Remember to like and share this video with someone if you found it helpful. If you're yet to subscribe to After School TV, now's a good time to hit the subscribe button. Until next time, your success matters.